Hello viewers, welcome to watch.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio classic multi-hand dial men's watch in a brown leather strap and a silver dial. It's a multi-hand dial, so there are three inner dials inside the main dial. This is a complete length of the watch, and from the side it's a pretty slim watch. As you can see, the thickness of the watch, and this is the back side of the dial. It's a Casio original watch, water resistant and stainless steel back, and the model number is MTP-V302L-7A. This is the back side view and the side view, and this is the front view. So viewers, this is a close-up of the dial. As you can see on the dial, it's written Casio water resist, and there are three small inner dials. One for the date of the month, the bottom one, and the top one is day, Sunday, Monday. This is the knob on the right side. So from this knob you can adjust the time, and also with this knob you can adjust the date. See the lower small dial, you can adjust the date, and to adjust the day of the week like Sunday, Monday, what you can do is you need to pull it up and then set the time, and when it will complete one cycle of 12 hours, then the day will change automatically. As you can see, from Friday it's going to Saturday. So this is just one time setting. Once it's set, so after that it will change automatically and update the date and time automatically. So viewers, it's a classy watch, slim dial, silver and brown combination. We will try this watch on the wrist, and also we will check the weight of the watch. It's not heavyweight and not lightweight, so we'll check the exact weight in gram. First we will try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, this is how it looks. It looks pretty attractive. The silver dial, you can see the time clearly, and also it looks pretty on the wrist. So viewers, we will check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, weight of this watch is 42.6 gram. 42.6 gram. So it's not heavyweight watch. It's pretty lightweight. So viewers, you can order this watch in Pakistan on our online watch store, watch.pk, and also you can book your order via WhatsApp. 0310-2233-484 is our WhatsApp number, and also we have mentioned in the description if you want to order this watch outside Pakistan. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch.pk, to get notification of our video reviews and deals and promotion. If you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.